Namibia will join other African countries in China during the 9th Forum. Keyamo says Namibia has been benefiting from the forum since its inception and aims to further strengthen cooperation for shared prosperity.
We are preparing for the upcoming FOCAC in few weeks. FOCAC is Africa-China Cooperation Forum, and Namibia is a stable member of this forum. This time it will be the 9th forum of this FOCAC cooperation, and Namibia will be presented by the head of state, and Namibia will be part of the African leaders that are coming to this forum. Namibia has been benefiting from this forum since it started many years ago, and we have been benefiting in terms of win-win situation. We want to continue benefiting. That's why we are here, and that's why we want to bring our part to this forum.
Young people will also form part of the discussions.
So this FOCAC is opportunity for us to increase that volume. Let us work together with China. Let us work together as Africans and put our case strongly to the forum so that it benefit all our people, as among them the youth. Especially the youth is a big topic and a heavy topic, a well-deserved and designed topic in this part of the world, and in particular the China Forum.
The forum will kickstart on the 4th of September in Beijing, China. Selima Henok, NBC News, Windhoek.